Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before I begin, like and subscribe and comment down below on this video if you have any questions or want to know any more about the products while I give the description. So this box is going to be about the Qwizme box. So Qwizme is a Pinchme box, but instead of waiting every month for them to release their box and then picking whatever samples they choose for you, you get to take surveys, and with those surveys you get points, and those points go towards getting a free box. So this is a 300 point box. I took like 50 surveys to get this box because I didn't qualify for majority of them, which may happen to you, so you have to have patience. They also have a deluxe box and a super deluxe box. So, and one is 1,000 points and the other one I believe is 3,000 points. So yeah, we'll see how worth it is. I'm going to try to get a deluxe one to see if, we get great samples. So let's get into this one. All right, so the first thing that we have is a free Graze box, which I've been getting a lot of these from Pinchme, and I'm probably going to try it now that I keep getting them. Then the next thing we have, of course, is a HelloFresh $50 off card, which is $25 off of 2 orders. Then we have Skittles Heat. This is supposed to be the really hot and spicy Skittles, which I'll probably give to my husband because I do not like spicy hot things. And he did try it once from Pinchme that I've got in a box, and he said it was really interesting. So if you like it, it's worth it. The next thing, which I'm excited about because I love coffee and I wish I got more, is the Starbucks K-Cup. The Starbucks plus coffee with 2 times the caffeine. Mom of 2 here. Need this. And last but not least, because I only got 3 samples, it's the Sundown Naturals Ultra Digest pill. So I guess it's to help your stomach. I'll learn more about this, try it out, see if it really works. So yeah, those are the 3 samples that I got, and then the 2 little deals that I got. 300 points. So I think it's worth it for all the work that I put into it. But it was free, and I took some surveys, which I normally do anyway. And yeah, so if you want to get a Qwizme box, I'll put the information down below. You need to get at least 300 points a week in order to get a box. I didn't know that, so I have like thousands of points sitting there not being able to be used. And then for the deluxe and the super deluxe, obviously you need to hit those point brackets to get that kind of box. And also, Pinchme is free samples every month, so I'll also put the link down below so you can sign up and get a Pinchme box, and then maybe you'll want to try and get a Qwizme box so you don't have to wait every month for a Pinchme box. This one actually came pretty quickly. I did the survey, they emailed me saying that I was going to get it, and then I got it in a week. So yeah. So like always, like and subscribe for more videos, and don't forget, comment down below for any questions, and stay tuned for more videos, unboxings, and I post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, so ring the little bell so you can get all the notifications on all my videos. So yeah,